If you're tired of voicemail cluttering up your iPhone, you probably noticed there's no simple off switch in your settings. That's because Apple hides it, but there are a few steps to fully disable it, and you have to do them in order. First, grab your iPhone, open Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, tap on that, and now search for Phone. There it is. You won't find a delete voicemail button here, but you will find live voicemail. If this is on, your phone picks up calls automatically. You need to kill that first. Toggle live voicemail off. But we aren't done. To actually stop the recording, we need a secret dialer code. Open your phone app and go to the keypad. Type this exactly. ##004#. Now hit call. You'll see a screen pop up about erasure successful. This tells your carrier to stop forwarding unanswered calls to the voicemail box. This is a magic step that works for most people immediately. Ever wonder how to download music on your iPhone? Check out this video.